Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to convert USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Before entering, you need to enter yourself a passcode. Now it is a very simple step. At this home page, at the bottom, you can see swap option. Simply tap on that. Again, you'll be led to this kind of interface. There at the top left, you can see swap option. You need to tap on that. And then you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now there are two options, from and to. Now at the from section, you need to simply tap on that. And here you need to simply search for USDT. Now again, at the downside, you need to simply tap on that and search for TRX. Now at the downside, you can also see the conversion. Now in order to buy it, you need to simply tap on the buy option. If you have sufficient balance, then you'll be able to see that option. But currently I don't have it. So currently I can't see those options. But this is how you can convert USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.